This 2025 Dutchmen Colorado 26 RLC is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Duncansville, Pennsylvania, 16635 and is offered for sale by Ansley RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Dutchmen is 30 feet 9 inches in length and features sleep 6, microwave, spare tire kit, carbon monoxide detector, refrigerator, air conditioning, slide-out, LP detector, smoke detector, auxiliary battery, oven, and 46 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features front bedroom, rear living area. The unloaded weight of this 2025 Dutchmen Colorado 26 RLC is 6,400 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.